guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, I do hope that you consider subscribing. Okay guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing my mini Mondays. Before I count my cash, I do have a sparkling water here. This is from Trader Joe's, the blueberry lemonade. I'm going to go ahead and take a sip. How is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is having a good Monday. Let's count this cash. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take each of these out. I did something a little bit different last week, but I'm going to go ahead and put them out separately here. My poor Dustin, he's wondering like, what the heck am I doing sitting at this desk? He can't get comfortable. He like needs to be near me. I'm surprised that he's not just laying down. Oh, he finally laid down on the area rug. Okay, so let's just move this binder up to off to the side a little bit here. Okay, and here are the challenges. All right, so let's just start. So each roll is going to get $1. So that's 2, 5, 1, 1, 3, 3, 2, 5, 4, come on, 6, 1, okay, so everyone got a little bit of love today. 1, 2, 5, 1, 4, whoa, 5, and the last $2, 2, okay, who's getting the last one? 1. All right, that's how it rolled today. I'm going to move them over to the side, and we're going to go through each one. Okay, so we have everyone's invited to the picnic. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is great. $6. Okay, so oh, is this going to complete the challenge? 3, 4, 5. Oh, it is. OMG. Yes. So that's 3, 2, 3, and then 6. I get to ring my bell. Oh no, where is my bell? Uh-oh. Oh, there it goes. I completed a challenge. Yes. Alrighty, so let's just count this and make sure that this is $65. So we have 20, 40, 55, 56, 7, 8, 9, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, okay. So I'm going to put this to the side here. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with that money at the end. Okay, so the next challenge is, I think it's this one right here. Yeah, it is this one. It's the coffee challenge. So I had $1 left over from last week. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh snap. Oh no. I thought I finished it. Actually, this was only half of one. So I need 7 to complete this challenge, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and circle this 3 and this 3. This challenge should have a total of 30 to complete, but it should have 29. So that's 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, alrighty. So maybe next week I'll complete that one. The next one is the spicy level savings. let's see, I have $2 from last week, so I have a total of 4, so I can only color in 1. So I will go ahead and color in 1 of these spicy pickles. And 1 is going to be for next week, hopefully. So we have 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 39 out of 60. The next challenge is from Budgetwithpeejay, and it is the cute owl savings. All I have is $2. So I don't have enough for either the 10 or the 5 or another 5. So I'm going to just leave this in the front. But this challenge has 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, $26. Maybe next week I'll get some more cash in this envelope. This one's a little bit hard because the denominations are kind of high. All right, the next one is the one from Budget with Carly. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh wee! I have $4 here, and I have $7 left to complete this challenge. Okay, so this challenge now has 20, 40, 55, 56, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 68 out of 75. The next and the last one is Tiki Bears. Okay, so Tiki Bears just got $1 little, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and highlight this one here. Okay, let's just see how much Tiki Bears now has. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and $19. I did have more money for Tiki Bears, but I ended up taking it out to put towards my move. So we'll just put this in here. And I'm going to get this challenge here, the one that I just completed, for $65. Okay, so I have already moved and I had a lot of spending in my move. So I'm still going to complete the saving challenges to go towards my expenses because I just want to be able to cover all of my expenses. So even though I've moved, like I said, I need to do this because I spent a lot of money. Okay, so I'm going to do negative 128 because I already took that out. And this pen is horrible. Okay, let me get another pen. And today is the 5th. So I'm going to put deposit completed challenge plus 65. Plus 65. All right. Let's just double check. So that's 20, 40, 50, 5, 56, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when I do my weekly unstuffing, I will be pulling this money out. All right. And then this here, I'm going to put it inside of my completed savings challenge in the back here. This is where I keep, you know what? I'm going to write the date that I completed this. I'm going to put here 5/5/24. I don't know if this camera is getting lower and lower, but it keeps shifting. The stand that it's on, it keeps going like down. So I haven't even noticed if it's falling during the, while I'm recording. If it is, that's what happened. But before I go, I do have some happy mail that I want to open up. This happy mail is from Cute and Things. Ooh wee, I was so excited to receive this package. I cannot wait to open it and show you guys the adorable things that I got. Oh my gosh. Let me just get my invoice out of the way. Okay, so here is a freebie. It's a cash breakdown. And I got a little Hello Kitty sticker. Oh, how cute. So adorable. You are capable of incredible things and your potential knows no bounds. That is really adorable. Well, that's a big glare. And then you have the little turtle here. I think his name is Carpaccio, I think. I'm not sure. And then this is a little folder, like a little sleeve you can put in your binder. It's so cute. It's Hello Kitty. And then I got a bookmark for my binder of Hello Kitty. And then I got a set of him. I think he's Karopi. I said Karapo. I don't even know what the heck I said. I'm so tired right now. But these envelopes are so adorable. I didn't want them labeled because I don't know what I'm going to use them for. So I just wanted them. They were so cute, and she was having a sale and I couldn't pass it up. So that is my happy mail. Thank you so much. Her name is Rita, but I will have her information down below if you guys don't already know who she is. I don't think she has a YouTube channel. I think she just has a shop. But all right, you guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, leave a comment down below and leave me some sort of leave me a strawberry emoji. That way I know you guys made it to this point. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will be having a giveaway when I reach 2,500 subscribers. When this video goes up, I might have hit it by then. I'm not sure, but we'll see. All right, you guys, take care. Have an amazing morning, day, and night, and I will catch you on my next one. Bye, guys.